Alright, I'm going to show you how to DeLace your BMX wheel, which I don't even know why I'm making a video of it, since it's super easy. There's a lot of new bikers out there. So far I've taken the tire and the tube off, and then you'll find grip tape, probably, most likely, and you take that off somehow. Try not to destroy it, because you're going to have to put it back on if you're putting the wheel back together. And once you have that off, then you'll see that there are screw heads on the end of the nipples. And just unscrew all the nipples, which I've already started, and take the spokes out. Super easy. I don't even know I'm making a video. Alright, I stopped halfway through because I noticed some of the spokes, you can see, you can't unscrew with the screwdriver because the spoke is too tight and it's sticking up to where you can't get the screwdriver in the grooves. So what you have to do is get pliers, or whatever, the needle nose pliers, whatever these things are called, and just unscrew them from the nipple part. So I'm pretty sure I was just tightening it that whole time. Let's try this again. Okay, as you can see, I loosened it a lot, and I jacked up my nipple. You should probably use a spoke wrench when you do that, since sometimes the needle nose kind of strip your nipple. So yeah, you just get it loose with either a spoke wrench or needle nose on the outside, and then you can finish it with the screwdriver. If the spoke is poking through the grooves to where you can't get your screwdriver into the grooves. Alright, I finished taking all the nipples off the spokes, so it is done. You should end up with 36 nipples and 36 spokes. Thanks for watching.